Hi, this is Korean꾸야 who learn how to cook on internet. Today I'm gonna make other Korean summer food. It called 비빔국수. 비빔국수. Yes, 비빔국수. Yeah, 비빔국수. It means how can I say? Just mix the mixed noodle. Yeah, mini is like that. Usually many people lost their appetite because of heat during the summer, so Korean people like to eat cold food or strong taste food. Bibimbuksu is maybe a little bit spicy, but this is good and simple. So let's start to cook. Basically, spicy food have to add a lot of sugar or soy sauce, sweetness and saltiness. So salty? I don't know. I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar first, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. But if you don't like really spicy food, you can skip the, what was that, red chili powder. I use that because of color. And mix well. Oh, I forgot something. And 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Sauce is finished, but I made this first because of this sauce taste will be changed if you eat right now or tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Taste will be keep changing. Let's taste. If your 비빔국수 sauce's taste is weird or not good, it means you have to put more sugar and boiled noodle. Oh, I want to tell you something. I just realized if I gonna use the Korean noodle, it's very hard to find, right? Even there is a Korean grocery near your house, but still some Korean grocery doesn't have that kind of noodle. So today I'm gonna use this Diamond Premium Spaghetti. But I never tried this before, so I don't know if this is good. I think this much is good for one serve, right? Twist and bam. Wow, when you cook, you have to be careful. I was almost burned. When you cook the spaghetti noodle or pasta, you don't need to remove the starch from the noodle, but I think this one, I have to remove starch. I think I have to rinse properly. Basically, pasta is a hot noodle, right? But 비빔국수 is mixed noodle. Have to a little bit cold. So if I put hot noodle in here, I think it's a little bit weird. It taste will be weird. I think cooking instructions said I have to cook during the 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Just want 10 minutes.
Just on 10 minutes. I'm so scared. So, is this Korean pasta? Basically, cooking is finished. But this is a seaweed, and this is a sesame. If you have a pickled radish or cucumber, whatever you want, you can add here. Sorry, I forgot most important things, sesame oil. Like 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee-dee. Smells so good. Yeah, smell is crazy. Wow, especially sesame oil is a bomb. Let's try. I'm a little bit nervous. Not bad, but I think you have to boil noodle more than 10 minutes
Just want 10 minutes.
because I chilled, right? This noodle became a little bit more hard. So you have to cook enough. No. You have to cook properly, more than 10 minutes, I think. This is not too spicy, just spicy, sweet, and I can taste the vinegar also, so fresh, and yeah, taste is very clear. Enjoy your bi빔국수, no, bi빔 pasta, bi빔 spaghetti. Enjoy your bi빔 spaghetti. It was a Korean film. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this.